Hey love bugs, welcome back to our last day of reading for this week. Today we are going to be comparing and contrasting homes. So at the bottom of this poster, you'll see they show you 3 different types of homes. I can move it this way so you can see it a little bit more. How's that? A little better, love bugs? Good. Okay, and then what's going to happen, love bugs, is I'm going to show a paper of questions. Because sometimes we read things and then we're asked questions about what we read. And it's our job to use the little clues that the author gave and things like that so we can answer the questions based on what we read. And you love bugs are so super duper smart. I know you'll have no problem answering the questions. So we're going to read through this together. And then I'm going to show you the questions that we're going to answer. We're going to answer one of the questions together, and then your parents can pause the screen and they can ask you the other 3 questions and see if you can get the answers correct, okay? So let's read through this together, love bugs. Here we go. Homes is our title. Homes are alike in some ways. Homes keep people safe. Homes keep people warm too. People eat at home. People sleep at home too. Homes are different in some ways. Some homes are close together, but others are far apart. Some homes are big, while other homes are small. Now, if you notice, what I kind of like about this poster is they kind of talk about the comparisons, how things are alike on this side of the poster, and then they start to talk about the differences on this side of the poster. So that's something I noticed as a reader that can help me with some questions. So love bugs, I'm going to show you some questions. Okay, this is my teacher booklet. In class, if we were doing this, this is when I would pass out the paper to you and we would do the first one together, and then I would read it and we would kind of go through it together a little bit, and then you do some on your own. So I'm going to put it like this for you, and that way you can see everything. So parents, you should be able to see everything too, because this is the last question. So you could always pause your screen if you need to. And end the video with that, and you could go over the questions with your child when we're done, and then you could just, see how they do. That's all it is. Like usually in class, we would do the first one together, and then I would read these to the children, and they would hide their work and have to color in one answer and hand me their paper, but it's a little different since we're home, and that's fine. We can adapt it. So, looking at this, love bugs, it says, use information from the poster, that's this, to answer questions 1 through 4. So we're going to do question 1 together, and then at home, you're going to go through 2, 3, and 4 with somebody in your family, and you're going to tell them what you think the right answer is, and they're going to use this to tell you if you were right or not, okay? How are homes alike? And here are our choices. A, they keep people safe and warm. B, they are close together. Or C, it should say they are far apart. How are homes alike? So I'm going to go up here. Homes are alike in some ways. That's a good sentence, but does it answer the question of how they are alike? No. So I'm going to move on to here. Homes keep people safe. Homes keep people warm too. People eat at home. People sleep at home too. What did it tell me about how homes are alike? Did right here say that they keep people safe and warm? I do see that. Homes keep people safe. Homes keep people warm too. They are close together. Did it say over here that homes are close together? No, it said it over here. It said some homes are close together, but, which is a signal word for a difference, others are far apart. So this signal word telling me that it's different is going to let me know that this is not going to be a choice. They are far apart. That's also on that same sentence. Some homes are close together, but others are far apart. That's a difference. So it can't be that one. So the only one that would make sense, love bugs, is A. How are homes alike? A. They keep people safe and warm. Very good. Now at home, you are going to pause the video and go through these questions with your families. I'm going to read them to you now so that you know what they are. What do people do at home? So look back through here and find the answer. What do people do at home? Eat, sleep, or both of the above? Do they eat and sleep at home? You could, if you think it's both, you would pick C. Some homes are big while others are, warm, safe, or small. Now, lovebug parents, if you want, you could write down the numbers 2, 3, and 4 and have your child write which letter answer they want and put their name on the paper. I'll show you what I mean. And then you could take a photo of it and you could send it to me. So if you're doing this at home, like if this was my paper, I would write Mrs. Q. Number 1, I said the answer was they keep people safe and warm. So I said 1 was A. But you'd have your child write it. For 2, whatever answer they think, you're going to write that letter. Okay? And then when you're done and you do number 4, you could take a picture of your paper and send it to me so I could tell you if you get them all correct. Okay, number 3, some homes are big while others are blank. Warm, safe, or small. Remember, you can pause the video and you can read through the top, which is really great to take your time. Write which letter is the right answer on your paper. What signal word in the last sentence means the author is telling a difference? Homes, while, or are? So love bugs, take your time. Pause the video if you need to. Okay? On your paper, you're going to answer questions 2, 3, and 4 and write which letter you think is the right answer. And then you can send me the photo and I'll tell you how many you got correct. All right, love bugs, you did great this week in reading. We'll see you next week for some more reading fun.